Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Clear the dash and remove loose dust with a microfiber cloth. Once done, test isopropyl on a hidden seam to confirm no discoloration. Next, mix mild soap with warm water and wipe the surface to remove surface grime so cleaning solutions contact the sticky layer, not dirt. Make sure to keep the area ventilated and use gloves. This prevents inhaling fumes and protects your skin. After testing, move systematically from one panel to the next. You'll now attack the sticky film directly. Spray isopropyl onto a microfiber and gently blot the tacky area. This dissolves plasticizer buildup. Once softened, sprinkle baking soda or apply a light paste to absorb oils and lift residue, then gently brush with a soft nylon brush. Make sure to blot and lift repeatedly, replacing cloths as they load with residue. If residue remains, repeat in small sections. Work patiently so you finish by wiping the area with a clean, damp cloth and letting the dashboard dry thoroughly for 24 to 48 hours. Curing time prevents reactivation of residual oils. Once dry, apply a non-silicone UV protectant to restore appearance and protect against future breakdown. If stickiness persists after careful repeats, try a small mineral spirits test or consult a professional for a dash cover or retrim. This is the key troubleshooting tip. Don't overuse harsh solvents.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.